Welcome to my channel.
Looking for the easiest and most refreshing drink to beat the afternoon heat? Try this Cucumber Melon Ice Drink. All you need are 3 simple ingredients: cucumber, melon syrup, and ice cubes. This Cucumber Melon Ice Drink is not only delicious and super easy to make, but also a healthy option for your daily routine. Perfect for sunny afternoons, garden parties, or just a quick refresh anytime. If you like this video, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to Happy Mums 167 on YouTube for more delicious and easy recipes. Stay refreshed and stay tuned.
Subscribe to my channel.